we're going to Surrey Central Station. Commercial station to Surrey Central Station.
Train to King George.
This train is going to King George. Surrey, British Columbia, Canada. So they are building the new Patulo Bridge, the latest one.